Hey everybody, welcome to today's video for a DIY. If you want to learn how to do this bird feeders, bird houses, stay tuned and let's get started to the tutorial. Hopefully you are safe, you are home, and you are healthy. Let's get to the bird feeders. To do these bird feeders or bird houses, you're obviously going to need your recycle bottles like I have here. These are like the half a liter or 2 liter bottles, and you're going to need a sandpaper. The one that I have here is a 3M, and it's the sandpaper with the number will be 22FU or the P400. The finest one that we need to kind of like scrape up a bit of the bottle so the paint could stay on it. I'm going to be using the paints that I have at home, and these are acrylic paint. You will need scissors or X-Acto knife, whichever one you have. Either way it's fine, and you're going to need Sharpie to draw out your idea. So let's get to doing it right now. Our bottle here, we need to make it a little bit shorter. So if you have a X-Acto knife, it's better than scissors, but I cannot find my X-Acto knife. So I'm going to go right here where kind of there's a line for it already, and I'm just going to simply give it a little cut. I'm going to open it. Just a tiny bit shorter. On our top part, I'm going to make some sort of design. So I'm just going to make like scallops. Now my bottle, it's way smaller. Now right here, right in the middle of our bigger part of our bottle, we're gonna make a circle, aka the birdhouse door or the birdhouse entrance. Now for me, and now we have a hole, and then if we connect both of our bottle pieces, something like this, can you see? And now, once we have these two pieces like this, I'm going to cut a little bit of my sanding paper. With your sanding paper, you're going to get your piece and kind of just give it a little bit of a Once both of your pieces are painted with one coat, you gotta let them dry a bit, and somewhere where they could get dry. Look at Luna and Layla were doing some crafts too, and she literally just painted her entire bottle already the way she wanted to. But we need to let it dry and then do another coat later, and then do any details after. The bottle has some kind of a texture like this one does. Is way easier to paint. The paint stays a bit better. Like you can see, this bottle had some type of texture. This one over here had those dimples, but it was more silky. Like my top over here, it was even though I sanded it grabs onto the paint a little bit different. It has some type of texture. The paint goes on so nicely. You can see right here our bottom part ready and our top part ready. This is from our green bottle, and these are our clear bottles, and our top and our bottoms are ready. Now we get to do all the detailing. So make sure Okay, now we have our bottom all nice and painted, and our top all nice and painted. And the thing that we need now is a dowel or a stick and a hole puncher and hot glue gun and some yarn or thread or whatever you're gonna hang up your bird feeder from. So first of all, we're going to be hole punching some holes right at the mid, right here at the edges. This hole puncher makes the little holes nice and easy and fast to do that. And after that, we're gonna hot glue our dowel right here, and our dowel is for the bird to stand on, because this thing is a little bit edgy and might hurt their feet, or that's what I want to think. So we're gonna put this dowel right here so the birdie can come and stand on the dowel instead of the harsh edge of the bottle. Our bird feeders. Here's Luna's. She painted it herself. Now, the last thing that I would recommend for you to do is put some kind of a like protectant, because they are going to be in the sun. If your kids did color one and they did use washable paint like Luna did, it's going to wash off with the rain. And this one, it is sort of kind of permanent paint, but since they're in plastic, you want to make sure that they stay on the bottle. So I'm going to be using these Rust-Oleum Universal Advanced Formula Clear Durable Top Coat Spray. It says any surface, wood, metal, plastic, and masonry. So it has a frosted pearl. So I'm going to be spraying these, and then after they're going to be hanging, and then I will be putting in the food for the birds. This is how they look. I put on already the spray. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, but it's kind of like sparkly, like glittery. And that's how they look. The only thing that we need is to put the bird food in there, which we don't have at the moment, but we will get it. And that's how they look with the stick. That is aka mine. Then the one I helped for Layla, and then Luna's bird feeder here, bird house. That's how they look.